Good morning, everybody. It's Uncle Bill OGorman here, and today we're going to talk about affordable luxury. The 2020 Nissan Murano. This one's stock number M7183. And as you know, Muranos are all-wheel drive and luxurious. They are full size, full comfort. And right now, you can be driving one of these for just $349 a month. And you got to ask yourself, wait, what am I paying now? It's going to be probably more than that. You're out there looking, you see a lot of used SUVs, a lot of used trucks, you see a lot of prices and payments at $550 and $600, but Nissan put together a fantastic promotion for this vehicle. So this one is just $349 a month and only $1,999 due at signing. Folks, in most cases, that's just the sales tax on a good used car. So, if you'd like to know more about this, perhaps take it for a test drive, call, text Uncle Bill OGorman here at Royal Nissan, 607-543-1215, and let you drive luxury.